Larry, what did you feel before you had this done? What were your symptoms?
Well, I had an arthritic left knee. I was experiencing a lot of pain, fluid buildup behind the back of the knee and a cyst. At times when I walked, I felt unstable. If I attempted to run or put sudden pressure in my knee, it would collapse. And most of the time I was able to regain my balance, but I could have fallen very easily. I had a lot of swelling and inflammation when I would exercise.
And after the injection, what were the results? 3 months later, how you doing? How you feeling?
Well, I noticed initially near the end of the first week a reduction in swelling, reduction in some of the discomfort, and as the swelling went down around, the fluid buildup was reducing around my knee, the pressure behind the back of my knee and the cyst started to diminish as well.
Fantastic.
To the point where now, after about a week, the inflammation was at a level where I resumed my exercise regimen again. I exercise approximately 4 times a week for almost a total of 1 hour physical activity, 30 minutes on an elliptical or cross trainer, at a level of resistance I'm setting that's kind of, reasonable level of resistance, and then 30 minutes on a stationary recumbent bike at, I'd say, so with a fair amount of resistance. I don't want to I found I could over exercise, but I'm at a level now where I don't have swelling or inflammation after exercising. The sensation that my knee is going to bend on me is gone. I have, the pain is gone. Once in a while I have minimal soreness, not too often, and I can sleep at night.
Good. So overall, very satisfied?
Oh yes, extremely. It went above and beyond my expectations of what could have been achieved in such a short length of time.
Fantastic. I'm glad you got such a good result. All right. Thank you.
Thank you.